So welcome to the Zimbabwean Private Schools Robotics Olympiad. When you say Shungu, so in this video we'll walk through our advanced material document. So this document, you're going to use it to prepare Vana for the inaugural competitions that are going to be held at Excel Glendale Academy. So how do you prepare for the competition? What should you expect if you come for the competition? So let's walk through the document together. So this is the document. Advanced material document. So there's a description here of the nature of the challenge. So participants would design and build functional prototypes that demonstrate sensor-based detection, conditional logic, and real-world applications. The challenge promotes creativity, teamwork, and technical precision. Remember, Takati Sutodama teams of at least 1 teacher and 5 students. So this is an example of a challenge that you're going to be faced with, Mugawea. You're going to use an ultrasonic sensor to measure distance between the sensor and an approaching object. It's like door challenge ekutanga. You must be able to connect the ultrasonic sensor to an Arduino, code it, display the information on a stereo monitor to measure distance. So we'll check kuti magona ere kuita izvozvo, and everything is going to be timed. And in the second part of the challenge, you're going to apply conditional logic to your system, whereby you connect a green LED light which lights up when the object is 30 centimeters away. So the object is 30 centimeters away from your device, the green light should light. Then you can move an object yako closer to your device that is 20 centimeters away. Then your yellow LED must light, and then when you move it closest, which is 10 centimeters away, then the red LED light must show up. Sakatrukuti Susu, you must be able to apply conditional logic and demonstrate the functionality of this device. So what we expect is for you to use sensors. We expect breadboard visibility. Todagonama wires are neatly connected with no loose connections, everything neatly arranged. We will check the code muchapiwa ma computers anenge asina kana anything chakasevwa, because it's possible that you can come or save a code yako. So we'll make sure that you get a new PC to use on the competition. However, you can bring your own PC in case you want to practice before the competitions. It's allowed, but you'll get a new PC to use for the competitions. So we'll check the code to show that you have applied conditional logic very well. We expect you to use power supply. So uka upload a code yako tinotarisira kuti uzokwanisa ubvise USB cable wouya nedevice rako, wouya nezvinhu zvako closer to the judges, and you demonstrate. So you need a power supply, an external power supply. So we'll provide these as well. So change uchi demonstrator kushanda kwe device rako really detached from the computer. So we are going to supply some external power supplies to remove a USB yako, computer yako pa side, device rako pa side. We check the code. Yeah, we upload them device. We want to see the device working unattached to the computer with the code uploaded into the device. So we'll supply those power supplies so that you can demonstrate. We expect you to provide documentation. So this is advanced material, so you can type documentation and you're supposed to print it and submit it on the day. The document should explain the problem that is being solved. So we are just giving you the idea of a device, but you now have to be creative to think of places where this device can be used. So which problem can be solved by this device? You are supposed to have a section where you tell us step by step how we can rebuild your device and how to operate the device. So we expect you to be able to do that, and you must be able to verbally explain the function of the device when you come for the competition. Okay, so basically the competition format and rules, our challenges are going to be timed. So even if you train for this on the day, it's going to be about time, it's going to be about neatness, accuracy. Saka chero ukatrainwa chero ukazviita before, but on the day it's about time. Can you do it in time? And during the competitions, what we'll do is we'll also give you impromptu challenges. For example, we can request you to alter your device and add a buzzer and time you to do that, and you come back after the time and demonstrate that I've added the buzzer, I've added a screen, whatever we want, we would like you to add. We are going to tell you that we are going to call it a surprise alteration that you have to do to see whether you can adjust. So like we said, we require a design document when you come, and all the hardware is going to be provided on the competitions, including the computers that you use. And then we expect your team to comprise of these age groups: the junior, intermediate, and seniors. They should be part of the 5 members of the team. Then, in addition to creating your device, explaining how it functions, coding, we are going to administer a quiz test, a multiple choice test, that you're also going to answer as a team, and all the marks are going to be compiled at the end to see which team wins the competition. So, and then expect to be asked some questions during your presentation. You're going to answer questions such as this: what problem does your invention solve? How does your device solve the problem? What components did you use and why? So you must have an understanding of the components that you're using. If you use a resistor somewhere, explain to us why. Whatever you use, explain to us why. So you'll be given a set of components, and you choose from that set which ones you're going to use for building your device. Atichangokupai tuma components and tuma extra. Imimi more chooser. So you need now to explain later on why you chose those specific components. How can someone rebuild your and use your device? You must be able to answer that. What improvements or future applications can you suggest? So you must be able to present that. And then we're going to have our mark allocation table here, jashandiswa to judge you. Functionality: does the device perform all the required tasks? Impromptu modifications: did the team successfully implement surprise changes? Breadboard neatness and wiring: is there a clean layout, visible connections, no loose wires? Code logic and efficiency: we'll look at the code. Is it well structured and easy to read? Use the manual quality. This one you type beforehand, so we'll look at that document to see whether it's well typed and clear. Team collaboration: as you were working, did all the members participate? Was there a clear sign that the roles were assigned effectively? Presentation and explanation: verbal articulation of the problem. We're going to be judging that as well. Can you clearly explain your device, how it functions, and why you chose specific components? Then we'll look at quiz performance, your mark for the quiz, and we'll just look at creativity and innovation. Was there a unique approach to the added features? The components that you chose, is there an element of creativity? So this is how the competitions will go. And remember that, like I said, you are going to be provided with the materials when you come. So you must register with us for the competitions. There are going to be prizes that are going to be given to those who make it in this competition. So we expect to see you at our inaugural competitions at a date to be announced. So stay tuned, the date is going to be announced. If you require training with this stuff and many other concepts to do with coding, robotics and electronics, you can always contact me, say Shungu, or my team, so that we can come to your station, help you to establish a club, and help you with the coding and electronics. So see you there.